Hi, it's Keiko, and today I'm going to show you how to add a thread to your angel ornament so you can hang it. And thank you so much, Simone, for asking. Okay, so I'm actually going to show you how to do one through the head first and then on the shoulders. I've got a few little ones we can show you with. So you'll just need some thread and needle, regular needle. And beads or pearl are really helpful so that it doesn't go right through your felt ornament. So she has a little one in the front, so you can actually use a beautiful pearl in the front, or you can use something and put it through the back. Okay, so I'm going to do her. Okay, so since she has a pretty little flower in the front, I'm going to go ahead and have the insertion point in the back, so right behind the wings. I think that'll be a pretty place to put my little beads. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in, and then I'm going to angle it towards the head and poke it out towards the head, right there. There it comes. So the longer craft needle you have, probably the easier. I do string the beads from the inside, so the needle size doesn't really matter because I just use the end of the thread and then just put it in and tie it like that. Okay, so I got it through the head, and then I'm going to go right next to it, and then I'm going to put it through here, and then I'm going to angle it where I initially put in. So right here, you see the needle coming back, and then I'm going to make sure that I have enough length like that. And of course, you can finish it off however you want, but I'm just going to go ahead and tie this. So I'm just going to tie it where the bead was, like that. Am I not doing it? Hands aren't being too cooperative. Okay. Okay. Having a hard time today. So just tying it. You can also just tie it like a regular way too. Okay, let's see if I can do that. All right. Anyway, I think you get the idea. I can't tie it today. Okay. Okay, so there. Okay, so that was like 3 times. Okay, and I think it stays. Okay, so then I'm going to make sure it pulls up right here. And then I'm going to cut this off in the back. And one little trick, since you are probably needle felters, you can take your little felting needle, get a little foam under here, and then just poke it in gently so it sort of hides. So watch and make sure you don't poke the beads because you can break your needle. But you can sort of hide that, and if it's not hiding too well, you can get a little extra. I'm just going to cheat and use a little bit pink off the wing. You can just sort of add a bit and hide it right over. So just add a little bit of wool since we're right behind the wing. Okay, so you get the idea. All right, and there we have one way. All right, so the next way is to go through the shoulder. So same idea, I've already done the string or the thread. Okay, so I have the little beads, and I'm going to put it in through the back. So right here in the wing, and I'm going to angle it towards her shoulder. So it does help to have a slightly longer craft needle. Okay, so I'm just angling it. Okay. Can you see where it's coming out? Not really. Okay, so here. Right there. Okay. And so I've got my one side, and then I'm just going to insert it in the other shoulder. Sorry. Okay, right there. In the other shoulder. And then I'm going to angle it towards the back, right where I put it in. Okay. So like that. And you could sort of see it right here. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing and try to tie this. All right. I'm sorry, I think there's a train coming. I should be able to tie it real fast. There. Got it. All right, bye. Hope this was helpful.